Want to save hours every single day? These 5 free AI tools will do the hard work for you. And tool number 5 is so powerful, it feels almost illegal to know about. Stay till the end, because I'll also share a bonus tool that will blow your mind. Welcome to Smart Work AI, the channel where we help you work less and achieve more with the latest tech and AI tools. If you're new here, hit subscribe so you don't miss future videos. First up is ChatGPT, the most popular AI tool out there. But most people only use it for basic writing. What they don't realize is that ChatGPT can do so much more. For example, you can ask it to write professional emails, YouTube scripts, business plans, and even coding help. If you say, "Write me a professional email asking for leave," it instantly creates a polished message. You can also ask it to change the tone, formal, friendly, or persuasive, and it adapts automatically. This makes ChatGPT not just a chatbot, but a real productivity booster. Next is Grammarly. Most people think it's only for spelling, but Grammarly's AI checks tone, clarity, and even plagiarism. Let's say you're writing a school essay or a report. Grammarly not only fixes mistakes, but also suggests better words and phrases to make your writing sound professional. The best part? The free version alone is powerful enough for everyday use. Let's look at a design tool anyone can use, Canva AI. Tool number 3 is Canva AI. If you struggle with design, this tool is a lifesaver. You can generate professional YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, and presentations just by typing a description. For example, create a modern YouTube thumbnail with bold text about AI tools, and Canva instantly gives you multiple designs. It also has Magic Write, which can generate captions, blog outlines, or social posts in seconds.
Moving on, Tome AI, presentations in seconds.
Tool number 4 is Tome AI, your instant presentation builder. Instead of spending hours making slides, Tome creates them automatically. Just type "make a presentation about the history of AI," and it generates slides with text, images, and layouts ready to use, perfect for students, teachers, or professionals. Perplexity AI is like ChatGPT, but with live internet access. You can ask about the latest news, AI tools, or sports results, and it gives answers with sources. This makes it one of the most reliable tools for research because, unlike ChatGPT, Perplexity always stays updated with real-time info. Bonus tool, Notion AI, your all-in-one productivity partner. Notion AI makes note-taking and organization smarter. It can summarize long notes, create to-do lists, and even draft full articles. It's like having a personal assistant inside your notebook. Perfect for productivity lovers.
Tools will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe because I share new AI hacks every single week. Thanks for watching Smart Work AI. See you in the next one.